Hi guys, if you're planning to buy the KODAK Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Pico projector, be sure to check out the purchase link in the description below. Now let's see why this tiny projector has become such a popular choice for people who want a big screen experience without carrying bulky equipment. Portable projectors have improved dramatically over the past few years, and the KODAK Luma 150 is one of the best examples of how much technology can fit into an incredibly small device. It's compact enough to slip into a backpack, handbag, or even your pocket, making it a perfect travel companion for vacations, camping trips, hotel stays, office meetings, and spontaneous movie nights. The first thing you'll appreciate is the size. Unlike traditional projectors that require dedicated space and multiple cables, this one is designed for convenience. It feels lightweight but well built, and the simple control layout makes it easy to start using within minutes. Whether you're projecting onto a wall, projector screen, or any flat surface, setup is quick and straightforward. When it comes to picture quality, the KODAK Luma 150 supports full HD 1080p content, giving you crisp video playback from compatible devices. While its native resolution is designed for portability rather than replacing a premium home theater system, it still delivers bright colors, respectable contrast, and enjoyable detail when used in a darker environment. Streaming movies, YouTube videos, presentations, family photos, or vacation memories all look surprisingly good considering the compact size of this projector. One of its biggest strengths is the flexibility it offers. Instead of watching content on a small smartphone or laptop display, you can project a much larger image that makes entertainment more immersive. Whether you're enjoying your favorite streaming platform, watching sports with friends, or sharing photos during family gatherings, the larger viewing experience makes a noticeable difference. Another standout feature is the built-in rechargeable battery. This allows you to enjoy movies and videos without constantly searching for a power outlet. Whether you're relaxing outdoors, traveling across the country, or spending time in a cabin, battery-powered portability adds tremendous convenience. The integrated speaker also deserves mention. While dedicated external speakers will always produce richer sound, the built-in audio is more than capable for casual viewing, presentations, and personal entertainment. If you prefer enhanced sound quality, pairing Bluetooth speakers or headphones is simple and gives you a much more cinematic experience. Compatibility is another major advantage. The KODAK Luma 150 works with iPhones, Android smartphones, tablets, laptops, media players, gaming consoles, and many other devices. This broad compatibility means you can easily switch between work and entertainment without worrying about complicated connections. Business professionals can carry it to meetings for presentations, students can use it for classroom projects, travelers can enjoy movies in hotel rooms, and families can create an instant movie night almost anywhere. That versatility is one of the biggest reasons this projector continues to attract attention. Of course, every portable projector has limitations. Because of its compact design, it performs best in dimly lit rooms where the projected image appears brighter and more vibrant. Bright daylight or heavily lit environments naturally reduce image visibility, so using it under the right lighting conditions produces the best results. Overall, the KODAK Luma 150 successfully combines portability, convenience, and dependable everyday performance into a remarkably compact package. It isn't trying to replace a dedicated home theater projector. Instead, it focuses on giving users the freedom to enjoy a large screen almost anywhere they go, and it accomplishes that goal surprisingly well. If you're looking for a lightweight projector that's easy to carry, simple to operate, and compatible with nearly every modern device, the KODAK Luma 150 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more honest gadget reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.